In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with GitHub in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, managing your projects effectively is crucial, and integrating Trello with GitHub is a powerful way to streamline your workflow. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in Trello in the search bar. Once you hit Enter, select Trello's official web page from the search results. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a login page. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Remember, having your login details at hand can save some time and make the process smoother. Next, navigate to the specific Trello board you want to connect with GitHub. You might have several boards set up, but make sure to select the one that's relevant to the project you're currently focusing on. Once you're inside your chosen board, it's time to locate the Power-Ups feature. This is usually accessible via the board's menu, often visible on the right side of your screen. The Power-Ups section is like an app store for Trello, offering a plethora of integrations that can enhance the functionality of your board. In the Power-Ups directory, type in GitHub into the search bar. As soon as you see the GitHub option appear in the list, click on Add to enable this power-up on your board. Adding this integration will allow Trello to access information from your GitHub account, an essential step to synchronize your tasks and keep your project's progress aligned on both platforms. Once the GitHub power-up is enabled, you'll notice a Settings icon, a tiny gear symbol sitting next to it. Click on this gear symbol to access the power-up settings. This is where the magic happens, the connection between Trello and GitHub. Within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Authorize Account. Selecting this will initiate the process of linking your GitHub account to your Trello board. You'll be prompted to enter your GitHub credentials, similar to logging into GitHub directly. Follow the on-screen prompts, and make sure to authorize Trello to access your GitHub repositories. This may require you to confirm the action via email or a security code, depending on your GitHub settings. And there you have it. Your Trello board is now successfully integrated with GitHub. With this integration, you can effortlessly track GitHub information, like pull requests and commits, directly from your Trello cards. This is a tremendous advantage if you want to keep your team informed of developments without having to jump back and forth between platforms. Now you can focus on what truly matters, developing great projects and collaborating effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.